right, we just got done watching the movie Lisa Frankenstein. It is from 2024. It is a 1 hour and 41 minute long movie. Let's see, PG-13. It's a misunderstood teenager and a reanimated corpse embark on a murderous journey to find love, happiness, and a few missing body parts. I really thought that this was going to be a movie that I would enjoy. I thought it was going to be like a rom-com, kind of dark comedy rom-com, and I think they maybe wanted it to be that.
Yeah, just like a comedy.
But I felt it was really slow to get going. The characters just were lacking, and I didn't enjoy it. It was a letdown. I mean, truly, I would give it no more than 2 out of 5 stars and would not recommend it to others. I'll see if I can find a link to it. If I can, I'll put the link below. But, I mean, I can't even imagine any point in my life where I would have thought this was a good movie. To be honest with you, even when I was younger, I still... There's just... Now, I thought of a couple ways that they could have made it more interesting by having a few, like, twists and turns in it, but they didn't do that, so... But yeah, it's a snooze fest. What would you rate it at?
Yeah, 2.
A 2 out of 5, yeah. It's unfortunate because I really did have high hopes for it. If you've seen Lisa Frankenstein, what did you think of it? Maybe it was one that you enjoyed. Maybe I'm way off base here, in my opinion. Let me know down below. And if you are not someone who has seen Lisa Frankenstein, don't go see it. Don't spend your time. Save the hour and 41 minutes. Or maybe you're into self-torture. Then feel free. Go for it. You'll get plenty of it through this movie. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.